¿Qué pasa, güey? ¿Qué pasa, Saguaro? Wait. Yes. Yeah, what's up, guys? We are inside, deep inside Saguaro National Park. I had to Google that. It's called Saguaro. The speed limit's 15. They got a whole bunch of cacti here. This is a loop. I believe it's 8 miles around. Let's see. Whoa, this is cool. This is a slow speed. Whoa, yeah. 5 mile an hour turns. Whoa. First gear turns. Whoa. Yep. That's what the guide was telling me. This is not a high-speed maneuver track. It is a one-way loop. Let's see. I believe it's one way. Yes. Whoa! Those are good views. I'm gonna run it once with my stupid voice, and then once just with the exhaust of the bike. Whoa! Riders. Trikes. Whoa, I want to do this loop twice. Whoa, this voice is weird. It's like an off-road track. It's awesome. The speed limit is 15 here, so it is what it is. But nice scenery, my goodness. Saguaro National Park. Not far from here is one of the best roads in Arizona called Catalina Highway to Mount Lemmon. So that is supposed to be one of the best roads in this side of the Mississippi. So let's see. Whoa, little swoopers. Well, this is nice. Mount Lemmon's only about I think 45 minutes east here. It takes an hour and a half to get up it, hour and a half to get down it. Whoa! Let's see what we got here. That's cool. Saguaro, indeed. This is the second second gear is my favorite gear. Whoa! Dude, let's see. Is this a spot? It's a nice spot. It's not it though. I need a view with some cacti. Dude, it's nice. It's a nice ride here. Some cacti. Whoa, there's one right there. It's a big one. Need some big ones. Whoa, this is like Tail of the Dragon stuff going on here. Jump it! Jump it! Woo! Let's see where this goes. Whoa, baby boy. Oh, it's awesome, actually. It's like a little dirt track. Whoa, switchbacks. Mika view, what this all about? Let's see what this is about. Oh no, some bullshit road. Fuck this. I ain't trying to go down that dick ass road. Sorry about my cursing. I'm not going off roading. It's ruining the vibes.
Cactus Forest Drive. Hello.
Interesting road indeed. Yeah, we head to Mount Lemmon right afterwards. 45 minutes east of here. That's supposed to be one of the best roads in all of Arizona. It's freaking hot out today. I ain't going on no hikes. I ain't going on no hikes. To each their own if you like it. Interesting drive here. I'm gonna have to do some research on what a Saguaro is. A Saguaro. A Walmart. Wait. Yes. ¿Qué pasa, güey? ¿Qué pasa, Saguaro? How do you say Walmart in Spanish? Yes. It's like Walmart. It's like Walmart. You got riders everywhere here. It's a nice place. I approve. And Walmart approve. Yo, look at this. Who's my boy here? Bicicleta. Oh.
Oh, scenic indeed.
Whoa, the hills have eyes.
Hills have eyes.
Scenic overlook, 500 feet. We're going for it. Let's see how scenic the overlook looks. This is not a road for blasting around the corners. Riparian Overlook. Whoa, sir. Whoa. Nice overlook. It's a beautiful place. It's nice sights. Good old sights. Nice cacti. Can't get enough of them. What are those cacti? The ones that you eat them and you get all psychedelic. It's like the ones San Pedro. Oh no, that's I think it's a leaf. San Pedro, it's my boy. I did see a road around here called San Pedro Road. They know what it's all about. Whoa, look at that view. That is the view. Cacti City over here. Cacti Central.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
Whoa, what's this one here? What do we got coming up here? This is the Forbidden Grotto here. Rincon Mountain Overlook. Rincon! Rincon these nuts! Sorry. It's inappropriate. Oh, hold up. Hold up, hold up. What do we got here? To do the loop-de-loop. What's this? We got any views? No views. Rip on it a little bit though. I'll do that loop again in a minute. 5 miles an hour. Whoa. Drivers. Oh, bumpy. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Second gear all day, baby. My favorite. Mi favorito. Segundo giro. Segundo giro. Whee! What's this? Is this the view right here? Let's see. Nope. That ain't it. That ain't the one. The one bill of gun.
A cool place. Cool place indeed. Cool. That's cool.
Oh, there's a big cacti. There's a large Cactilius maximus. I believe that's the Latin genus term. Cactilius maximus decimus meridius. We're gonna do one more loop because that was nice. That was nice. Javelina rocks overlooks. Whoa. Javelinas rocos overlooks. Whoa, hold up. We got some views here maybe. So not bad at all. Me like it a little bit here. Whoa, this is some crazy looking ones we got here. What is this? Oh, it's like a brook. It's a babbling brook. It's like a babbling idiot. Nice. I like second gear, baby. I wish I lived around here. I rip this thing all day. Oh, blast. The second you start having the fun. There's a douche in front of me. Oh, a bunch of them. That's alright. Run it one more time. That's a stop sign. We're at the beginning. We did it. Woo! Ah, Saguaro National Park. I applaud you. Alright, we're gonna make the loop one more time, except this time I'm gonna turn off all my audio. I mean, I'm not gonna speak, so you don't have to hear me. You can just listen to the bike. Take a few more shots along the way. I'm gonna stay right in the middle here. Picnic area. Drive loop. Drive loop, drive loop, drive loop. Nice. That was cool. On to the next national park.